Okay, today we will be replacing a kitchen faucet. So here's the old kitchen faucet we're replacing. It leaks, the handle's stripped out, and we also need to install a dual outlet water supply valve. We can use this plumber's multi-wrench. It's a great tool. Install new supply hoses. Here's a new Peerless faucet. Quick disclaimer, this is not a paid promotion for any product you see in this video. It's just what we're using. I want to say at the time of this recording, the faucet cost right around $40. Buy them at your local hardware store, Home Depot, Lowe's, Amazon. Comes with the mounting hardware. It's a single handle unit, swivels. Remember, hot is on the left, cold is on the right. These are the plastic nuts to attach it to the sink. And I'm going to go ahead and install the new water supply lines now. It'll make it easier to install the faucet later. It also comes with adapters if you need the adapters. And has rubber grommets inside that actually do the sealing for you. And these hoses happen to have these little yellow wrenches built into them. Woo! When you install new water supply lines on the faucet like this, you want to take a wrench and hold on that brass fitting like so you don't kink or bend that copper water supply line going into the faucet. You can see how I'm holding back against that wrench so I don't damage those copper lines. Like so. This faucet has 1/2-inch threaded connections. And the other side of the supply hoses is 3/8 compression. Your situation may differ. But again, I'm trying to support that copper supply line so I don't kink it. That tag has some information on it about the faucet. Tells you it's a hot water supply line. So I turned off the water. You can see I've removed the supply valve, the cold water supply valve there. And under this sink, we only have one water supply valve coming in. This is in a commercial office building. So I ran a bead of silicone sealant around the deck after removing the old faucet. I'll carefully feed the new water supply hoses down inside the hole. Need to remove my mounting nuts. And I'm going to go ahead and center it on the sink. I'll reach down underneath and start those plastic nuts. Now that I got that done, we'll install the water supply lines. You can see I'm installing this new dual outlet water supply valve, shutoff valve here. It's 1/2-inch by 3/8 compression by 3/8 compression. The reason I'm doing that is the tenant wants to install a filtered water dispenser in a little while. So I'll simply cap off one of the outlets for that dispenser. The other outlet will supply cold water to the new faucet. So I'll cap that one off and leave the valve off. Just make sure I got that snugged up tight. I'll install the other end of that new water supply line. And in this application, there's a little point of use water heater under this sink that supplies hot water to the faucet. That's where this other line goes. So we got our water supply lines hooked up, water turned back on. We'll check for leaks. Check for leaks at the point of use water heater. No leaks. Woo! There's a new faucet. I hope this information helps you. Now I'd like to tell you about a practical facilities maintenance handbook, now available on Amazon.com in paperback and ebook format. It's a resource guide full of reference material for the facilities professional. Has electrical resource material, welding symbols, electrical symbols, common shop equipment, drawings, documents and signage, and more. Also, if you're looking for stickers specific to facilities maintenance and management, there's a link in the video description below for stickers for the facilities maintenance professional. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.